Hello everyone, this is Funny. You are watching Funny HS Info. Today I am going to talk about pneumatic tool safety. There are many different kinds of pneumatic tools that are commonly used in construction because of their speed, power, easy of use and wide availability. But the most prevalent are nailing and stapling tools. The hazards of pneumatic tools. Pneumatic tools are tools powered by compressed air, which make them extremely fast and powerful, but it also presents a variety of safety problems. That speed and power attached to a sharp tool like nail gun combine to create a very dangerous situation if mishandled. The compressed air itself is another hazard which can cause potentially fatal situations. Some of the safety tips for handling these pneumatic tools. Workers who use pneumatic tools must be provided with adequate training and safe work instructions. Remember that only trained and experienced workers are permitted to operate pneumatic power tools. Operate and maintain pneumatic tools according to the manufacturer's instructions. Always wear appropriate protective equipment including eye and hearing protection. Respiratory protection may be required when excessive dust is generated. Inspect tools before use. A damaged tool should always be tagged for repair or removal. Keep tools and other accessories in good operating condition. Clean and lubricate regularly to protect against wear and dust. Make sure that the air supply and pressure is correct before connecting a tool to the air hose. Ensure the tool is correctly and securely connected to the hose. There should be no air leaks. Only use attachments designed specifically for the tool you are using. Consult the manufacturer's instructions. Always treat unloaded impact guns as if they were loaded when carrying or handle them. Never point the tools towards yourself or anyone else for any reason, regardless of whether loaded or not. Disconnect the tool from air supply when not being used or when being cleaned and adjusted. Post warning signs where pneumatic tools are used. Employ screens or shields in areas where nearby workers might be exposed to flying fragments, chips or dust. Isolate the area if possible. Do not carry pneumatic tools by their hoses. Never depress or trigger unless no species is directed into a safe work surface. Keep hands away from discharge area at all times. Never attempt to modify with the tool, attachments or safety devices. These are the safety tips for handling safely of pneumatic tools. Use pneumatic tools safely at workplaces. Thanks for watching and have a safe day.